Hey, how's it going today? My name's Eric. If you find any of this information useful, go ahead and do me a favor and hit the like and subscribe button. But today I'm going to dive deeper into TradingView and how it's a combination video. I'm going to show you how quickly you can utilize the free features here and find some good stocks that possibly swing trade, and then what indicator. It's an indicator that is on TradingView. You can get it for free, and it's got a bunch of indicators, nice indicators if you're new, especially new to trading, to help you decide if this trade is actually something that you want to do. And of course, just to give you anything you find on the internet, especially from me, always do your own research, and always paper trade first all your new indicators and everything for about a month to 6 months, see how they work. So let's dive into it. We've got better things to do. So here's TradingView. Here's the front page that you get into. I've got the free version. You just got to give them their email address, and so we're just going to hop on to products here, and I'm going to go to screeners here. They got a nice screener here. I click on there and I get the stocks, and so 14,000 is a little bit too many. I'm just searching the US stock market today. We'll just click this plus sign, and I'm going to technicals, and I'm going to go down to the moving average convergence and just add the filters. So it will come up as MACD, that's what we call it. And then I just simply go down and want to go level crosses up, and I just click on that. And as you can see, I'm down to 894. And then I'm going to come over here and come in here and market data and go to average volume. I'll switch that to 30 days and add that filter as well. You got to go back in here and hit a manual setup because you got to put how many you want. I like to go 1 million or 750,000 for this demonstration. Let's go 750,000 and got it down to 207. Then I like to trade off the 9. So I'll go back up, and we'll go back to technicals. We'll go back to SMA, smoothing moving average. Simply just click on that, add the filter. You have to go back, and I want it below the price. I'll just simply click on that. I will go back. This is on SMA 50, so I'll want to reset that and manual setup. I actually want it on the 9. That's how you switch that. So now it's on the it's on the 9-day, and then value. We can just hit apply, and we can go back up and do a manual setup and hit apply. You can also, if you want it to just be it below 0 to 10%, so it's more just crossing, you can do that. We're down to 167, and you can even do it more in manual setup. Once you do to 0 to 10%, you can come over here where it says 0 to 10% and just crunch it down to 0.3%, hit apply, and we're down to 76. So this is how I find stocks. This may be a little bit more, but there's one more I add in here. And I simply just click plus sign here. We're back to the technicals, and I'm going to go to SMA again, and I'm going to go down to the 200 and add this filter, and I want this below price as well, and we're down to 37. So I got 37 nice ones to look at. You can check them by annulus. You can divide it by price and just do ascending. Check the ones that are a low price, so where you may have to do a bunch. This one says sell. So all right, so then after we do the SMA 200, we can just check. I'll just click on, let's go with this Matterport Incorporated MTTR, and then once this comes up, you can just simply click the full chart, and you've got this. I got Stoch RS eye on there. I'll get rid of that for the sake. But you see all these things here. You're like, what's that? What's going on? We're above the 200 and our price is above the 9 days. So this is a possible look at to see if it looks like this is all trending upwards, which is nice, what we want to see. And then how do you got this buy, sell stuff on there? Well, I'll show you in all these lines. Well, that's this over here. You'll click on indicators here and then type in SMA 9 and you'll get 2. But you want the SMA 950, 180, EMA 20 buy sell. It's by this M. Phillips guy. And you can just click the star here and it'll save it to favorites. And then once you click on it, it'll look a little bit like this. I'm going to make it look like how it will look like. You'll have more of this. So there's this other line here, which is pretty nice. I got a buy sell here, and I will zoom it in so you can see this a little bit better. So as you can see, there's the sell. It tells you when to buy and sell. It also has this nice trend line here. It may be a super trend. It's close to like a super trend. So once it's green, that kind of gives you another signal that it could be good. I also, when I did it, so you get all these indicators in one, and then you can get a bottom one. And as you see, I saw a Stoch RSI. You can just simply get that off and then click on MACD to see. And as you can see, we have an uptrend on the MACD right here, and we know we're above the 9. So this is a good stock to take a look at and paper trade and see how it goes and to learn from it. And that's how I find them. And as you can see back on the search, there's 37 other ones I can take a look at and quickly take a look at it. You know, it's 5 seconds a piece. You just click on them quickly, full chart real quick. And this one I would probably maybe say no, that I maybe missed it. Or possibly this one's turning up RWT. I maybe put this on my search list or write it down in a notebook because you are limited on the free version how many you can put into a watch list. So with that, I'm going to let you go. We're at 9 minutes and 30 seconds. I'm trying to make these videos as short as possible. Actually, it's going to be probably a little bit shorter than what you see. Do some edits. I like to make it short for you guys, but I think we're going to call it. If you want to change things, there's this little octagon thing, the settings. And as you can see, I really don't like the trend line. I'll look at it sometimes. You can just click this and turn it off. You can turn the buy and sells off. You can also, if you maybe like to turn this EMA line a little bit darker, and so you can see that better, and hit OK, so it shows up a little bit nicer. That's a lot of people follow the EMA 20. Tells them when they should be getting in or when they should be getting out. So, but I'll leave it at that. As always, if you found any of this information useful or helpful, give me a like and subscribe button. It's greatly appreciated. Other than that, I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you on the next trade.